In this video, I will be showing you how to make a pricing table in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the search bar on the templates page and type in pricing table to see the available options. Once the results load, I can browse through a variety of layouts and styles to find the one that best fits my project. I'll select this clean digital product template and then click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now that my design is loaded, I can start editing the details. I'll click on the first price and change the basic plan from $19.99 down to $9.99. Next, I'll move to the other plans to make some adjustments. I'll click into the text box for the middle tier and rename it from Essentials to Standard. I'll also update the final plan from Professional to Premium and adjust its price to $29.99. To give the design a fresh look, I'm going to replace the character illustration. I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for a person sitting with a laptop. I can scroll through the graphics until I find an illustration that matches my brand's style. I'll delete the original graphic from the template, click on my new selection to add it to the page, and then drag it into position on the right side. I'll use the corner handles to resize it so it fits the layout perfectly. Finally, I want to tweak the colors to create more contrast. I'll select the subheading text, open the color menu, and choose a darker purple shade. I'll also select the small social media badge at the top, open the color picker again, and apply that same dark purple to keep the design consistent. With those final touches, my professional pricing table is complete and ready to share. Making your own custom pricing table in Canva is a quick and easy way to showcase your offers.